Think all courts are the same? Think again. Louisiana's legal system is unlike any other in the United States, and understanding its unique court structure is crucial for notaries. This video explains key concepts from Chapter 4, Louisiana's Court System, in the 2025 Fundamentals of Louisiana Notarial Law and Practice book. As a civil law state, Louisiana's judiciary is structured differently from common law states, which impacts how laws are applied, disputes are resolved, and notarial acts are enforced. Unlike most states, Louisiana follows a civil law system rooted in the Napoleonic Code, meaning court rulings rely more on statutory interpretation than case precedents. Rooted in the French and Spanish legal traditions, civil law focuses on written statutes and codes rather than relying heavily on past court decisions. Judges interpret and apply laws as they are written, aiming for consistency based on the legal text. The common law system is based on precedent, meaning courts look at past judicial rulings to interpret and apply the law. Over time, these decisions shape how laws are enforced, even if the statutes themselves remain unchanged. In Louisiana, this means that legal disputes are often resolved by applying codified laws directly, rather than referring to previous court rulings. For notaries, understanding this distinction is crucial. It impacts how contracts, property transfers, and successions are drafted and interpreted. Since notarial acts must align with statutory requirements rather than rely on evolving case law, precision in wording and execution is essential to avoid legal challenges. Louisiana's court system is built like a pyramid, with different levels handling different types of cases. At the top, you have the Louisiana Supreme Court. This is the final authority on constitutional issues and major legal disputes. If a case makes it here, it's a big deal. Next, there are the courts of appeal. These don't hold trials but review cases to decide if a lower court made a legal mistake. Then we have district courts. This is where most civil and criminal cases start, making them the workhorses of Louisiana's legal system. City and parish courts handle smaller cases. Think landlord-tenant disputes or minor civil claims. And finally, at the community level, there are justice of the peace courts. These courts deal with minor issues and small claims, often without all the formalities of bigger courts. Each court plays a key role in keeping Louisiana's legal system running smoothly. And as a notary, understanding where your documents might end up can make all the difference. Notaries often draft legal instruments that could end up in court, such as successions, property transfers, and contracts. The documents you prepare as a notary don't just stay on paper. They can have real legal consequences and may end up in court. When handling wills and successions, notaries play a key role in ensuring the legal transfer of assets. If a will is challenged, the court will examine whether it was executed properly, making your role in following legal formalities crucial. For property transfers, acts of sale, donations, and mortgages all involve notarial documents. If there's ever a dispute, courts will review these instruments to determine ownership and enforceability. For contracts and agreements, whether it's a business contract, a matrimonial agreement, or a lease, a properly executed document can prevent legal battles, or provide clarity if one arises. Understanding how cases move through the court system helps you draft documents that stand up to legal scrutiny. A single mistake, like missing a required formality, can lead to costly disputes and even document invalidation. That's why knowing how your work fits into the bigger legal picture is essential. Louisiana's unique legal framework affects every aspect of notarial work. Knowing how the courts function is key to ensuring your documents are valid, enforceable, and properly executed. Want to dive deeper? Keep following along as we break down each chapter of the 2025 Fundamentals of Louisiana Notarial Law and Practice book. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one.